The speed control switch is located in the upper right side of the air vent. It activates the fan motor and controls the blower speed. If the speed control switch stops working, replace it using the steps in this video. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the cooktop and the downdraft vent. Remove the cooktop from the counter. Remove the downdraft vent from the counter and lay it down on a padded work surface. With the power disconnected, remove the mounting nuts from the clamp channels and pull the channels off. Remove the screws from the gear motor cover. Disconnect the motor wires and then pull the cover off. Carefully tilt the top of the blower housing up and disconnect the blower motor wire harness. Remove the blower housing assembly. Remove the mounting screws from the airbox cover and pull it off. Unplug the wire harness for the speed control switch. Cut the wire tie that secures the speed control switch wire harness to the green ground wire. Pull the air vent out to access the speed control switch. Remove the mounting screws and pull the switch cover off. Remove the screws from the switch bracket. Slide the switch bracket down and then pull the bracket out. Pull the knob off the speed control switch stem. Remove the mounting nut. Pull the speed control switch out of the switch bracket. Disconnect the activating switch wires. Cut off the wire tie from the switch bracket to release the wires. Remove the speed control switch. Secure the speed control and activating switch wires to the switch bracket using a wire tie. Connect the activating switch wires. Reinstall the speed switch on the switch bracket and secure it using the mounting nut. Reinstall the knob on the stem of the speed control switch. Slide the switch bracket into the vent. Adjust the switch bracket so that the activation switch lightly touches the membrane pad. Tighten the bracket screws firmly. Tip: mounting the switch bracket up too high will keep the switch depressed, and the vent will raise and lower continuously when power is restored. Reinstall the switch cover and secure it using the mounting screws. Push the air vent back into the airbox. Plug in the speed control switch wire harness. Connect it to the green ground wire with a wire tie. Position the cover over the airbox and thread the gear motor wires through the grommet. Reinstall the mounting screws. Put the blower housing assembly in position. Plug in the blower motor wire harness. Lower the blower motor housing assembly into place. Thread the wires through the gear motor cover and reconnect them. Put the gear motor cover in position and reinstall the screws. Reinstall the clamp channels and secure them with the nuts. Reinstall the downdraft vent and cooktop in the counter and reconnect power.